Hi everyone, welcome back to another weekend review where we look at the market activity from the previous week, which was the third. Let me just confirm, yeah, when which was from the 3rd of March to the 7th of March. So, and then we also look at the week ahead. Our next trading week will be 10th of March to the 14th of March. Now, last week was quite interesting. We took two trades. One was successful and one hit the stop loss. But overall, we still ended the week net positive. But it was quite a strange one, right? Because the market did not behave as we had predicted, and neither did it behave in any way that anyone might have predicted, right? So yeah, that's that. So we're just going to look at what happened last week and then also try and see um, what we expect or what we see can play out in the coming week. Now, if you recall from last weekend's analysis, when gold closed on this candle, we were expecting a within pullback into this region, uh, 2869 to 2888. We're expecting a pullback into that region and then for the sell to resume. That was our initial analysis by last weekend. That was what we were expecting to happen uh, during last trading week, but the complete opposite happened. And we actually saw that when price got to our upper limit, uh, we actually saw a resistance there, and we were quite hopeful that that would kick off the sell. But instead, you can see that a few candles later, there was that breakout. Now, shortly after that breakout, there wasn't much bullish momentum. The bullish momentum could not be sustained by gold. You can see that our moving averages did enter the bullish range around here. There was that bullish crossover. But even with that bullish crossover, it couldn't maintain any buy momentum. Neither could it sustain any sell momentum. And what we now experienced was gold moving pretty much sideways. Now, if I remove um, last week's levels, and let me draw this two here, we can see that for the better part of last week, gold was trading within this range. You can see it's quite clear. Gold was just bouncing from the high to the low. Once it got to that high, made went for the low, went for the high, back to the low. Well, retested the low, back to the high, and right now it seems as if it's making its way back to this low. So what does that mean, right? It means that right now, as per our strategy, we are just going to be waiting for a breakout, right? That's pretty much what it means. For those of you that are familiar with trading moving averages, you would know that trading moving averages moving averages is very, very poor as a signal provider when the market is ranging or when the market is trading within a range or when the market is moving sideways, which is what we are seeing right now. The market is moving extremely sideways, and it would not be advisable for anyone who uses moving averages predominantly to enter any sort of trade at the moment. You might have a strategy that works within this scenario, but ours doesn't. Therefore, we're going to sit on the sideline and allow for everything to play out. So yeah, Right now, our bias remains bullish because of the bullish crossover between our moving averages. But like I said, we are looking for a breakout of this upper level or a breakout of this lower level, and for our moving averages to cross bearish once again for our outlook to turn bearish. So that's basically it. It's not going to be a long video today. The audio issues have been resolved, so I hope you guys are enjoying my voice a lot better. So let me just put in our arrows so that we can just track our. I've forgotten how to get the arrows again. I checked it before I started this video. Yeah, here's the arrow. Yeah. So looking at next week, we should be expecting something like this. Sorry. Let me get another arrow. And then maybe a possible breakout. Let me move the then maybe a possible breakout in bullish territory here. Or what we could see is actual gold dropping, retesting this level, and then selling off back to this levels here. So those are possible scenarios. We should see gold test this lower limit of 28.98, and from that level, this level will be very important because we might see a rejection of that level, or we might see a break. Now, if we see a break, we'll expect it to retest this level before selling off finally. And if we see a rejection at that level, once it gets to this upper limit, it could continue going in that range, or it could break out and continue with its bullish momentum. So it's highly speculative right now, but let's just watch and see. The best thing you can do when trading forex is to sit on your hands, is to sit and wait and allow for the market to reveal itself to you, allow for the trade setup to come to you. Don't try and force anything. Don't try and don't put your money at risk. Just allow the market to reveal its intentions to you, and then you follow likewise. So that's it for this week, and I wish you guys all a excellent trading week ahead. Have a nice day, guys.